Want an effective home workout without taking up too much space? In today's video, we're taking a look at the MERACH Exercise Machine, a smart fitness solution designed to help you stay active from the comfort of your home. With smooth resistance, sturdy construction, and app-connected workout features, it's built to make your fitness routine more enjoyable and effective. Stay till the end to see if the MERACH Exercise Machine is the right choice for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have MERACH Vibration Plate 440 pounds capacity. This vibration plate exercise machine features a 13 amplitude setting designed to deliver deep muscle activation through powerful vibrations. The high-intensity waves may enhance workout effectiveness while providing rhythmic motion for dynamic exercise sessions. The vibration plate detects user presence with smart sensors. It activates automatically when stepped on and pauses after 30 seconds of inactivity for safety. During workouts, it adapts vibration speed based on movement patterns to create personalized sessions. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and built-in speakers, the textured silicone pedals offer secure footing and comfort during extended use, while the eco-friendly materials ensure odor-free operation. Choose from 1 preset mode and 10 speed modes to match your fitness level, whether you're new to vibration training or an experienced user. At number 2 we have MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bikes. As a versatile stationary bike, it can be used in conjunction with the Phantom Fight app, and also works with KinoMap, Apple Health, and Google Fit, turning workouts into engaging experiences that surpass standard exercise bike. With a 54.3-inch front and back extension, this fitness bike provides 30% more legroom than conventional exercise bikes. Perfect for recumbent exercise bike for home, it comfortably accommodates users from 5.1 inches to 6.3 inches, ensuring freedom of movement and superior comfort. Experience 35% less fatigue and 90% reduced knee pressure with our comfortable exercise bike for home. Ride more comfortably, suitable for rehabilitation patients, seniors and obese people. Its ergonomic seat and low center of gravity design offer a safer, more stable exercise bike workout than upright bikes. Make your ride more comfortable. Easily customize your workout intensity with the lever-controlled magnetic resistance on this exercise equipment for home. At number 3 we have MERACH Sculls Rowing Machines. Sculls style rowing simulates real rowing with 120 degrees outward arm motion for full chest expansion. Trains back, arms, and engages nearly every muscle group. Multiple rowing modes, supports one-arm rows, alternating strokes, and synchronized dual-arm pulls, offering more diverse, effective training than standard rowers. Pro-level magnetic resistance delivers up to 80 pounds of magnetic resistance, far superior to typical hydraulic systems, with 16 adjustable levels, ideal for professional rowers in training. Unlock 1,000+ workouts and games. Connect via Bluetooth to the exclusive MERACH app, featuring over 1,000 interactive courses and fun games. Plus, enjoy 6 months of free premium membership with your purchase. Train like a champion. Access exclusive rowing tutorials and personalized fat-burning plans designed by champion coaches, all while the professional monitor keeps you on track with detailed performance metrics. At number 4 we have MERACH new 3-in-1 Stair Climber. Achieve a complete home workout with this versatile 3-in-1 mini stepper that combines the motion of a stair stepper, stair climber, and elliptical machine into one compact fitness solution, featuring an upgraded design with a 155mm extra-large stride and dual hydraulic resistance system that delivers a more efficient, commercial-grade workout experience, enhanced with bass shock-absorbing pads that keep operation quiet below 50 decibels while reducing impact on joints and ankles for comfortable daily exercise, equipped with detachable resistance bands for engaging the legs, hips, arms, and core to support full-body training and improve balance. Designed with a built-in LCD display that tracks steps, workout time, and calories burned in real time to help monitor progress and fitness goals, while its compact and portable design makes it easy to store beside a sofa, bed, or in small spaces, making it an ideal fitness companion for effective home workouts. At number 5 we have MERACH 3D and 4D Vibration Plate. Experience advanced 4D vibration technology with oscillation, lateral, pulse, and 3 combined modes. This comprehensive approach promotes metabolism, blood circulation, bone density, fat burning, and overall results for a well-rounded and efficient workout experience. MERACH Vibration Plate Exercise Machine for weight loss not only boosts metabolism and blood circulation, but also helps increase bone density, relieve chronic pain, and relax muscles. Regular use can improve fitness, repair old injuries, and provide a greater range of motion. Vibrating plate exercise machine with 120 adjustable speed settings, you can tailor your workout to burn fat, calories, reduce weight, and tone your body effectively. The wide range of speeds ensures that you can achieve your fitness goals at your own pace. Enjoy a more engaging workout with built-in lights and Bluetooth music connectivity. The clear LED touchscreen provides easy monitoring, and the included resistance bands enhance your training, making every session both fun and effective. At number 6 we have MERACH Recumbent Exercise Bikes. Experience cloud-like relaxation engineered. Our recumbent exercise bike features deeply contoured seating and breathable, distributing weight evenly to eliminate pressure points during marathon riding sessions. Finally, riding premium comfort scaled to your stature. Transform meetings into metabolic boosts or crush calorie targets in cinematic 3D landscapes, all from your premium recumbent bike. Dominate inertia with industrial-grade resistance. Our 15 pounds flywheel delivers whisper-quiet, ultra-smooth gliding motion, outperforming flimsy models for buttery transitions and true premium feel. Feel the difference substantial mass makes. Double-thick steel for 350 pounds confidence. Experience military spec stability. Engineered with 0.08 inches reinforced steel, this fortress recumbent bike confidently supports plus-size users up to 350 pounds where others flex. We guarantee unwavering solidity. At number 7 we have MERACH Vibration Plate for lymphatic drainage. MERACH Vibration Plate Exercise Machine is designed with adjustable handles, ideal for seniors and beginners. The handle height can be set between 37.4 and 42.1 inches, providing a secure and comfortable grip. The magnetic remote control can be easily attached to the pole, making it convenient to use and store. This combination ensures a safe and user-friendly experience. Vibration plate for lymphatic drainage can significantly improve your health by boosting metabolism and blood circulation. It also helps increase bone density, alleviate chronic pain, and relax muscles. This comprehensive approach to wellness makes it an essential part of any fitness routine. With 50 adjustable speed settings, vibrating plate machine for weight loss can achieve different training goals. Whether you're aiming to burn fat, reduce calories, lose excess weight, or tone your body, you can find the perfect setting to meet your goals. At number 8 we have MERACH Magnetic Exercise Bike. The wide seat exercise bike connects with the self-developed MERACH app. Monitor key workout stats in real time, including resistance level, distance, time, and calories. Easily sync your data with Google Fit and Apple Health for a more complete fitness overview. The S36 series exercise bike with Bluetooth is built with an enhanced dual triangle frame, supporting up to 330 pounds for superior stability. Its reinforced design minimizes wobbling and ensures long-lasting durability, making it ideal for riders of all sizes. Crafted with high-density foam and wrapped in durable, wear-resistant PU leather, this seat cushion evenly distributes pressure to minimize discomfort in long-time riding. Its contoured shape and wide design provide superior hip support, promoting a natural and stable sitting posture. You can adjust the resistance to any level, from light rides to intense climbs on this spinning exercise bikes. At number 9 we have MERACH Under Desk Elliptical Machine. Zero pressure, low strength. The MERACH Under Desk Elliptical Exercise Machine features a low-intensity, zero-pressure design that promotes blood circulation, burns calories, strengthens lower body muscles, and helps prevent leg diseases. It is the perfect elliptical leg exerciser while sitting for seniors, sedentary office workers, and those in leg rehabilitation. Get an effective workout in comfort and improve your overall health. 12 scientific automatic modes. The Under-Desk Elliptical offers 12 automatic modes, P1, P12, and 12 manual speed levels, allowing you to enjoy professional-level exercise guidance. Equipped with a remote control, you don't need to bend down to make adjustments. The pedals allow for both forward and backward movement, engaging every muscle group to ensure a more effective workout. Superior quiet motor. The MERACH Under Desk Elliptical Machine comes with the latest E4 silent motor, designed for low noise and long-term, high-frequency use. At number 10 we have MERACH Vibration Plate Exercise Machine. The MERACH Vibration Plate for lymphatic drainage helps you regain comfort and lasting relief from chronic pain. By promoting blood circulation and muscle stimulation, it helps speed up recovery and improve mobility. It also boosts metabolism, leaving you refreshed and energized, so you feel healthier every day. Transform your fitness routine with curved vibration plate exercise machine for weight loss that makes calorie burning and body toning easier than ever. Designed for efficient fat reduction, it targets stubborn areas and helps shed excess weight. Its full body vibration stimulates muscle groups simultaneously, promoting strength and balance. Achieve your fitness goals with precision using 9 preset training modes and 99 adjustable speed levels. This exercise equipment for home adapts to any fitness level, offering tailored options for warm-ups, high-intensity workouts, and muscle relaxation. Its versatility ensures effective results for all users. with its seamless adaptability and a clear LED display for progress tracking.